Good evening, and thank you for joining us for an hour-long edition of Denver 7 News at 5 on this Monday. I'm Jessica Porter.
And I'm Jacqueline Allen. First tonight, a local court battle that could have some major implications for consumers across our state. The Colorado Attorney General's office began its case in court today against the multi-billion-dollar merger between grocery store chains Kroger and Albertsons.
Now, those are the parent companies of King Soopers and Safeway, respectively. According to the AG's office, the two companies already account for more than half of all grocery sales in our state.
Now, according to those companies combined, they will have just under 5,000 stores, 4,000 pharmacies, 710,000 associates, and that's if the merger is approved. Now, Denver 7 Danielle Kreuter was in the courtroom for opening arguments today.
She begins our in-depth coverage with a look at the case from both sides that could have lasting consequences for where and who Coloradans get their food from.
Our union. Our power.
Outside Denver's district court, grocery workers and ranchers from around the region made sure their voices were heard. The years-long battle against the proposed merger between grocery giants Kroger and Albertsons is having its day in court in Colorado.
So this merger will eliminate head-to-head competition that benefits consumers. Kroger and Albertsons are intense rivals throughout the state.
The Colorado Attorney General's office has long argued that competition keeps both companies working to find the best products, best prices, and customer experience for consumers. To prove the merger would end competition, the AG's office argues a judge should compare apples to apples, specifically apples from uniquely defined supermarkets. When trying to determine if there's competition, the AG's office says the judge should consider close substitutes for a King Soopers or Safeway. That means stores like Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, or Costco are not a fair backup choice for consumers.
The law and the economic principles are clear. Mere cross-shopping is not enough. The law requires the court to narrow the market to only close substitutes.
Attorneys for both Kroger and Albertsons took issue with this, claiming consumers have a lot of options.
Despite the fact that Trader Joe's is one of the fastest growing grocery stores in the United States, despite the fact that they call themselves a grocery store, Trader Joe's doesn't count. We can't look at them when deciding what the effects are on competition. That's the centerpiece of the state's case. Costco, the #2 grocery seller in the entire country. #2, behind only Walmart. We can't look at that.
The two grocery chains say the merger is the only way to give traditional grocery stores a fighting chance against growing grocery services from companies like Amazon and Walmart. While the giants duke it out in the courtroom,
we definitely don't want to see this merger go through.
Workers hope all the people who keep the stores running and stocked are kept in mind.
If we just look at history alone, over the constant buying and merging of grocery stores, it's hard to believe that they're not going to.
Testimony over the next several weeks will include economic experts and upper-level management from the companies involved to go over their business model. It's all to determine if there is a significant threat to competition if this merger moves forward.
And as we've been reporting on this, part of the merger includes selling off 91 stores to a third-party company to help create more competition. So what did the attorneys have to say about that in court, Danielle?
Well, the AG had some pretty strong opinions about that company. It's called CNS, and up until recently, it's primarily been a grocery distribution company. The AG criticized them for buying stores in the past to beef up the distribution aspect of their company, then for one reason or another, closing those stores, calling them a weak buyer with no experience to successfully keep those stores open. Now, all three companies did rebuttal this, saying CNS will be getting significant transition support from Albertsons, which includes a seasoned leadership team, private label products, and employees who Albertsons says will be allowed to keep their jobs at stores, even if the merger does move forward. Attorneys for CNS say they are looking forward to being in the grocery store business.
Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter in for us tonight. We'll see what happens with this case.
Thanks so much, Danielle. Well, digging deeper, Denver 7 wanted to learn more about how a merger between Kroger and Albertsons could impact options and grocery prices here in Colorado. So we talked to supply chain expert and University of Denver professor Jack Buffington to get his perspective.
I think from a price standpoint, there could be some higher prices because there's less competition. Some products could be higher prices, some prices could be lower, but in general, less competition often reduces the ability of companies to compete on price.
Now, we also talked about potential store closures and what shoppers can do to make sure their grocery prices and options remain stable. So you can watch that story coming up tonight on Denver 7 News at 5:30.